Hey everybody, so you seen I had that Jeep last week. Gonna show you why. So, this is the 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 for you who don't know, crew cab. It now is a 6-inch lift. A 6 inches Holland lift that's made by BDS, I believe. Those are 37-inch BFGs, mud trains on XD series tires, 17-inch. Check them out. So it rides way better now. And we're well in the woods a lot, so this is perfect. I'll just do a walk around for anybody interested in getting their Ram lifted or their truck. And this has no issues at all. It all turns perfect. Lots of room for articulation, all that, all kinds. It's perfect. So it's going to be a lot more capable for me. Looks pretty sweet. So anything else you want to know about it, just ask me below. And if you want me to do a more in-depth video, I could, but I don't really know what you'd want to see. I know I check them out, check out lifts on the trucks and stuff, and I just kind of want to see it. But that's it. Easy to get in and out, so it's all good. We're building the cabin. If you're interested in that, we live in the woods, so that's another reason why we did this. So building off-grid cabin, you can check that out. I've done about 2/3 of it so far. I mean, maybe I've not even done that yet. We might do a ton more. But I have a lot to do this year, 16 by 24 edition. You can check that out. Like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.